Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we will discuss New York City construction accident law. If you are injured during construction, what you can do, or what is the New York City construction accident law. Before starting video, I will request you, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so this interesting and informative videos comes to you. You deserve an experienced NYC construction worker have the most dangerous job in New York City. Despite of New York labor laws that requires employers to provide safe working conditions, accidents happen a lot. Every year, dozens of construction workers are killed on the job site across the city. Thousands more suffer painful and debilitating injury. Unfortunately, employers sometimes cut corners to save money. Those shortcuts and ultimately put construction workers like in your harm's way. When you get hurt on a construction site, fighting for compensation will be one of the most important things you do. Don't trust just any attorney with your New York construction accident case. Even though you may be entitled to money for your injury, actually getting cash in your hand can be tough. Insurance companies, construction site owners, and any negligent third parties will fight you every step of the way. You deserve to work with the New York City personal injury law firms that has extensive experience handling these challenges cases as Meyerman, Markowitz and Lando PC, all we do in personal injury law. Our attorney have been fighting on behalf of injured construction workers across the city for more than 4 decades. We know New York labor and construction law inside and out. We are intimately familiar with the workers' compensation system and what it takes to secure the benefits you deserve. We know how to approach your case and give you the best shot and getting the money you deserve. Our aggressive approach has helped us secure millions of dollars in verdicts and settlements for our injured clients. Our record of success speaks for itself. $6.57 million verdict on behalf of Bronx construction worker who got injured on a job site because of his employer's negligence. $2.25 million verdict obtained on behalf of a Bronx construction worker who got hurt because of unsafe worker site condition, and $2 million verdict secured for the family of construction worker who fell off a ladder and died on a dangerous Brooklyn construction site. When you turned to us for help after construction site accident, you can benefit from our nearly 100 years of combined experience. There is no risk in asking for help, so call our NYC construction accident lawyer to discuss your case today. We handle all NYC construction accident injury case: brazing accident, building collapse, compressor accident, crane accident, cutting accident, dangerous or defective equipment accident, dumpster accident, electrical accident, elevator accident, falling objects, forklift accident, gas explosion, ladder accident, logging accident, nail gun accident, punch press malfunctions, scaffolding accident, structure failure, welding accident, or wrong death, and more. These type of accident we are hearing in our case. If you are being injured on a New York construction site, we are here to help. We represent injured construction worker in Brooklyn, the Bronx, Long Island, Manhattan, Staten Island, Queens, and Westchester. Quick call to discuss our construction injury case today. Thanks for hearing our video.